Hi, Jim Ziegler, the Alpha Dog, and I've got some incredible news. A day and a half that'll change your life. July 13th and 14th, Atlanta, Georgia, Hyatt Hotel, Perimeter Center. We're bringing back my famous Samurai F&I seminar. You heard me right. We're bringing back the Samurai F&I seminar. Now, there's a lot of great F&I trainers out there. I'm not taking anything away from them. But when it comes to F&I, I'm the best there is, the best there ever was, and the best there ever will be. I am the alpha dog. Let me tell you, whether you are a seasoned professional, whether you're experienced, whether you've been doing it for years, or whether you're just starting out, this event will increase your numbers substantially, dramatically, immediately. Your numbers will go up. The big public companies right now are benchmarking $2,400 to $2,700 per retailed unit. If you're not doing anything close to those numbers, or if you've got a member of your team that's not doing those numbers, pay attention. You need to attend this seminar. Menu selling, whether you're using an old-fashioned paper menu, an iPad, or a new technology menu, it really doesn't matter. The word tracks, the presentation, unlike anything you've ever seen. We're going to talk about the F&I products, the parts and labor agreement, the vehicle service contract, maintenance agreements, environmental packages, gap protection. Anything you're selling in the finance office, we'll be covering it. We're going to talk about the consumer credit counseling interview. This is Ziegler's specialty. This is how I set the record-breaking numbers. I was good in the box, but I was better at getting the deals put together. The hard to get put together deals that nobody else could put together, because I could work the banks. I could speak intelligently to the credit analysts, the credit supervisors, how to rehash the deals. That's covered in this seminar. We're going to be talking about desking deals, working with the sales desk. And I've got a module in this seminar on subprime, as well as traditional finance, how to hold the rate. And we're going to be talking about how to desk deals and work with the sales desk. That is not taught in any other finance school ever. Now, this is not one of those robotic memorization courses. It's conversation, legally compliant, ethical, and above all, customer friendly. This is a great F&I seminar. Every student receives a 150-page textbook. The F&I Mastermind, written by me. It's been edited more than 14 times since I originally wrote it in 2005. I rewrote this book last year. It is as modern as yesterday. Not a workbook, not fill in the blanks. This is a textbook. All the word tracks, all the closes are written out, so you don't need to make a whole lot of notes and try to remember everything you learned in the class. It's a textbook. A day and a half, Atlanta, Georgia, Atlanta Hyatt Hotel. Here's the website. www.samurai, that's SAMURAI, www.samuraifi.com. Pretty easy to remember. Or you can go to my regular website, ZieglerSuperSystems.com. Ziegler Super Systems. Remember, Ziegler is Ziegler, ZieglerSuperSystems.com or SamuraiFI.com. Dealers, general managers, your managers are woefully undertrained. It's not their fault, because you haven't invested in your people. or you haven't invested in your people recently. When I said that the big public companies are benchmarking 24 to $2,700 per retail unit, you need to pay attention because the pandemic and subsequently the inventory shortage, our people have lost their edge. They've forgotten a lot of how to sell cars. They've forgotten a lot of things about how to negotiate. Now, whether your salespeople are doing the entire deal F A to Z, whether they are actually selling their own F&I or you have a dedicated F&I department, I don't care. This will be great for anybody you send. The numbers will increase dramatically. Legally compliant, that is really important. I have spoken at NADA conventions on the subject of compliance. I'm a layman expert on legal compliance in the car business. We'll be talking about that. Keep you from getting in trouble. There's a lot of government agencies gunning for dealerships right now. I'm talking about legal compliance, customer friendly, ethical. You don't need to lie, cheat, sneak, deceive, or misrepresent to sell cars or to sell finance. This is the best F&I school. I don't care if your service contract company has an F&I school. That got you to A level. That got you to where you are now. Excuse me. You want to go to the next level? SamuraiFI.com. I will get you to the next level. This seminar is that strong, that good, the best there is in the industry. And if you're an F&I manager or you're a salesperson that wants to be promoted to F&I, go to your dealer, go to your general manager and point out this video and say, look, I'd like to go to this. I'd like you to pay for it or share the expenses, work it out. You don't invest in yourself, you'll never get ahead in the business. This is Jim Ziegler, the Alpha Dog, talking about how to set record breaking numbers. Be there.